Hello. Figured I'd shoot a quick video after I did a little pre-pack here. This is the bike I'm taking on the Oregon Timber Trail this year. We're doing a truncated version with a lot of reroutes, but this is the ride I would bring if we were doing the full route. So I guess I could just go through and point at stuff, and maybe you guys would get excited about that. Carrying food and water in here, food, sleep kit. Keeping the sleep kit pretty minimal. So we get in here. Also on the sides here, one pocket has bug dope. The other pocket has a rag and my chain lube. You probably don't need to see that, but I did pull it out for you. All right, moving on. Sleep kit. Essential item one, we got a puffy jacket. Then we've got Mount Bora bivy. We've got Enlightened Equipment booties. And this year I'm trying out rain pants instead of insulated pants. I probably have room for the insulated pants, but I want to try this out. That's the sleep kit. So I'm gonna do nutrition in the bottle using Tailwind. I have some stores of that down here. I'm also gonna be wearing this hip pack. In the hip pack, I've got rain jacket, poop kit, bug net, oral care, some lip balm, but I'm probably just going to use this on my butt. We got a water filter, we got some nutrition. This is tortillas with cheese in them, gummies, sour gummies, Tailwind nutrition, and first night's dinner. This is like protein powder with a scoop of some superfoods like greens mixtures. I'm also trying to do this single-use plastic free, and I can share my thoughts on that later, but for now I will show you. I've got this 3-liter water bladder with a quick disconnect cap, so it makes it easy to fill this up and not have to remove the hose. That can just stay in place. Again, I'm using 3 liters. It's not going to always be full, but it's nice to have capacity. And then with this, there's 4 liters. This, another ½ liter. So then I have a bunch of nutrition that I made in various little packets. Here I've got a full baggie full of them. Those bags have been reused, so as you can see I have plastic. I'm gonna have to use plastic, but it's all these bags I've been using. More tortillas of cheese. I'm probably gonna do more of those, maybe some with peanut butter or almond butter. I have a lot of dense calories, slow burning fats and stuff, and I might need something that burns a little quicker, so that's what I'm hoping the tortillas are for. More gummies, more Tailwind, and another protein shake for the evening. Same system up here. Gummies and more of those energy balls I made. That's the nutrition. I mean, I know variety is a good thing to have. I just didn't have time to make a bunch of different flavors. Chips would be fun, but this is what I'm going to try out this year. I'll let you know how it goes. Quick overview. Got the jacket, booties, rain pants, rain jacket, bivvy, nutrition. These are the energy balls, dates, almond butter, honey, oats, cranberries, hemp seeds, cashews, walnuts, regular almonds, Sour Patch Kids, gummy bears, gummy worms, sour worms, mixing ball for the protein powder, 10,000 milliamp battery, keep the inReach topped off, and my helmet lamp. We keep repairs and spares, worst case scenarios, in this here bag. Next to it, my pump. I run a SP Dynamo hub linked up to a sine wave cycles light. You can charge off that. It does a good job keeping the Garmin and the phone topped off. Those are connected to MF Bikes titanium handlebar. This is a MF Bikes mostly forever steel frame, setup single speed, 32 oval up front, 21 tooth cog in the rear, roughly 44 gear inches, a little more than that. Dropper post, pretty much mandatory on off-road bikes and wow, most all bikes in my opinion. We got that spur cycle bell for the evening time and anytime I want to put a smile on my face. Over here I've got an auxiliary pocket of sorts. Right now my wallet's in there. That's going to migrate over to the hip pack. This is a kit. This is a chain tool kit. This is my multi-tool. I keep it here so if I need to make an adjustment, it's rather quick to do so. J-Pack's foot long, probably my favorite bag on the bike. It's gonna hold lots of food and nutrition. Also, yeah, this front bag is a MF Bikes little front satchel of sorts. Thank you for tuning in. If you watch this, hope you enjoy riding your bike. Take care.